Ever wondered why your macarons don't turn out perfect? Today, we're exploring the common issues that plague many macaron bakers. Understanding these can unlock the secret to perfect macarons. So let's dive into the top 5 most common issues when baking these French delicacies. Cracked shells, they're as heartbreaking as they sound. Imagine crafting your macarons with love, only to find them flawed by cracks. These often result from an undermixed or overmixed batter. The trick? Achieve the perfect consistency by mixing just right, not too little, not too much. Next up, the elusive feet, or rather, the lack of them. When your macarons are footless, the culprit could be overly wet batter or insufficient resting time before baking. Remember, patience is key. Let them rest and keep that batter dry. Ever bit into a macaron only to find it hollow? Frustrating, isn't it? This problem, often a result of over-whipping the egg whites or baking at too high a temperature, can rob your macarons of their delightful texture. So, whip cautiously and monitor your oven temperature closely. Finally, let's tackle the issues of discoloration and those not-so-round macarons. It's pretty disheartening to see your beautiful macarons come out of the oven with uneven color, isn't it? This is often due to uneven oven heat. And then, there are the macarons that just refuse to be round. This is usually the result of uneven piping. So what's the solution? To avoid these macaron mishaps, make sure your oven has even heat distribution, and don't forget to practice your piping skills. So, there you have it, the top 5 common issues when baking French macarons. From cracked shells and absent feet to hollow insides and those pesky discoloration and misshapen issues, we've laid out the common culprits and their solutions. The secret to overcoming these obstacles lies in your persistence and patience. The art of baking macarons is a journey filled with trials and triumphs, but the end result is always worth the effort. Remember, perfection comes with practice. Happy baking!